Welcome to
Days Inn Suites by Wyndham Gresham. You can depend on us if you're looking for a hotel near Portland International Airport that's quiet, comfortable, and easy to find.
Staying with us opens the door to great amenities and easy access to the very best of what this area has to offer.
Plus, Mount Hood Community College is less than a mile from our property.
Now, what most sets us apart from other hotels in the area, however, is our commitment to first-class service.
Also nearby are Gresham Golf Course and Glendover Golf Course, as well as Columbia Gorge Premium Outlets, Park Lane Park, Columbia River Gorge, Powell Butte Natural Park, and more. Previous reviews show us to be a great place to stay for comfort, value, and convenience.
Make a reservation today and save.
www.daysinnsuitesgresham.com